How to sign out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Open your Messenger application on your iPhone. Now tap on Menu. In the menu that appears, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down until you see More in Account Center and tap on it. In the Account Center section, tap on Password and Security. Then look for the option where you're logged in and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently logged into your account. Now tap on any of the devices that you want to log out from. A new screen will appear with details about that device. Then tap on Logout to log out from that specific device. As you can see, you've successfully logged out. You can repeat the same process with other devices to log out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.